Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to message non-friends on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Now, here's something important you need to know before we continue. On Steam, you cannot freely message non-friends like a normal chat system. The platform has restrictions in place to prevent spam and unwanted messages. However, there are a few legit ways this works depending on the situation. If they are in the same group, chat room, or even a group chat as you, then you can message them. Let me show you how this works. Start by hovering your mouse over your username in the upper left corner of the Steam window. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Groups. This will take you to a page displaying all the groups you're currently a member of. Next, navigate to the group where you want to message non-Steam friends. Once you've found the right group, you'll see an option that says In Group Chat. Go ahead and click it. This will open up the group chat interface where all members of that group can communicate with each other, regardless of whether they're on your friends list or not. You can now start messaging your non-friends directly in the text field at the bottom of the chat window. Type your message and hit enter to send it. This is a great way to communicate with people who share the same interests or are part of the same gaming community as you, even if you haven't added them as friends yet. Alternatively, if you want to, you can also use your group chats to message your non-friends. This method is just as effective and might even be more convenient depending on how you've organized your Steam groups. Here's how to do it. In the bottom right corner of your Steam window, click on Friends and Chat. This will open your friends list and chat panel. Now look for the group chat section within this panel and select the group chat where your non-friends belong. This will open the group chat conversation. Click the text field at the bottom and start messaging your non-friends. Just like with the group method, everyone in this group chat can see and respond to your messages, making it easy to connect with people outside your friends list. And that's it. You've now learned how to message non-friends on Steam using groups and group chats. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.